Before you begin, remove the optical drive, base enclosure, battery, hard disk drive assembly, wireless module, fan, and system board. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna, display panel, and speaker cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the top cover and right speaker. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the left speaker. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the right speaker to the top cover. Lift the speakers off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the speakers.